Hi everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to Cooking with Ms. D. I'm Ms. D. Today I'm going to be making a delicious dessert and I'm going to be using something that's very, very strange. You would never think of it in a million years. However, I'm so excited today to share this dessert with you guys. So I'm going to be making fried wonton ice cream. Fried wonton ice cream. You know, like you have fried ice cream? Except I did a twist on it, and I decided to use wontons. It is so delicious. I think you're gonna really enjoy it. But first, let me show you what I did. Okay, so this is a regular wonton, and what Miss D did, all she did was put some nutmeg, put some nutmeg on the plate. If you don't like nutmeg, it's optional. That's cool. You don't have to use it. You could just use the sugar and some sugar, just a sprinkle of sugar. I'm just gonna sit that there for a minute and get some water because the water acts as a binding agent for the outside of the wonton. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take some ice cream. You could use any type of ice cream that you prefer. I'm gonna be using vanilla, and I'm gonna take some vanilla ice cream and put it right here in the middle, and then add a little bit more. Don't overstuff it because um, as you can see, the wonton is not that large. Okay, so you can kind of adjust it on a plate how you want it, and then I'm going to, like I said, fix my ice cream so it can be even. You know, you don't have to be perfect. And then I'm going to take the water and just go along the borders, and then I'm going to go ahead and close it like so. And you're gonna fold it like a wonton, and then you're gonna take the remaining of the sugar and the nutmeg mixture and just make sure you bind this area as well, very lightly. There we go. You see how I did it? Like a little wonton. And then we're gonna go ahead and close it just take our ice cream roll. We're just gonna work it around the plate. Now I'm just gonna sit this on the side. Now, after you do that step, after you take it and you put all your nutmeg and your sugar on it, then you're gonna sit it in the freezer for about an hour or longer. It's up to you. But make sure you put it in the freezer so that it can get nice and hard. And these are the ones that I had in the freezer. See how, ooh, hello. And you don't, like I say, you don't have to make them perfect because, let me tell you, they're so doggone delicious, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in a hot grease. So make sure your grease is very, very hot because after all, you have ice cream in here and you're not going to cook them very long. I would say 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, if that. You got one, two. I'm just going to do two. Okay. Then I'm going to turn them over because we're not going to leave them in there very long. And now I'm going to turn off my fire and I'm going to take them out. And I'm going to let them sit for a minute. Now, We're just gonna flip them over like so. And we're gonna arrange them on a plate. Now, of course, the ice cream is gonna come out because whenever you heat something that's cold, it's gonna melt, right? Absolutely. So we have our, they look, they are so good. Don't they look beautiful? So we have our fun wonton with our ice cream in it. And then we're gonna take a little caramel, or you can put how much caramel you prefer. And we're just gonna drizzle it over there like so. You can put how much you want. Because Miss D knows they got some sugarholics in her she got some sugarholic subscribers. Then we're gonna take some succulent chocolate. You can use any type of caramel, any type of chocolate. Isn't that beautiful? Now, and then I'm gonna take my. You can put some. You can put whipped cream on it if you want. You don't have to. That's your choice to do so. So I have my whipped cream. I made it myself. Either you can make it or you can buy it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that on there as well. And you know Miss D is extra, so I got to make sure it looks just presentable, I should say. And then you could garnish it with any type of fruit you want. You could use bananas. You could use strawberries, raspberries. Did I say blueberries? Strawberries. Any blueberries. Any type of fruit you want to. That's your choice. And then I'm going to take this one and sit it right there in the middle. This is so economical, so delicious. Because my show has many meanings. You know, I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all subscribing to my channel. And I try to bring you content that's different. But I would like for you to try this. I really would. From the bottom of my heart. It is so quick and easy. I think the kids will love it. You can serve this at a party. You can serve this at a dinner. People will love it. And then you could tell them, guess what that is? Guess what my dessert is made out of? They will never believe you. They will never believe you. You seen it for yourself. This is wontons, like you use to make egg rolls. Now, y'all want me to taste it or not? If I keep on tasting stuff, I'm gonna have an extra chin. But if you insist, I go ahead and do that. It's just so. I'm just gonna have a little bit. Trying to watch my girlish figure, okay? And then it's crunchy at that. You hear that? I'm sorry about my fingers, y'all. When I tell y'all it is so delicious, I won't play with y'all. This dessert is amazing. It's amazing to make. You know, you can do it with your kids, do it with your grandkids. Let them help you. They would have so much fun. I'm telling you. I like the crunchiness of it. I like the flavors. I like the nutmeg. Of course, you could use a fork and you kind of cut it, but once the ice cream melts, you're gonna really, really, really get into it. So this is Miss D's. That's right, y'all heard me. Wonton ice cream. Fried ice cream. I'm sorry, wonton fried ice cream. Y'all see me fried, right? Okay. It's so good. Just try it. I think you'll really like it. I really do. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, share, all of that good stuff. Y'all know Miss D don't remember nothing. But just support my channel. I think I did a good job with this. Please leave some comments. Leave some comments for me so that I can read them. But this is a very, very economical and delicious dessert. Until next time, I love y'all.